Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a relatively routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where the red line up there is coming from. And update's probably not necessarily the right word, but more so confirmation. Confirmation in the sense of the levels that I've talked about are still fully in play, and they still definitely pertain to the chart. Although I am going to throw in a couple of new levels, so I suppose update would work in that sense. But overall, and this is what just the point of confirmation, it's all about that purple line there, which I've talked about in past videos, the 50-period simple moving average. And, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, well, then just let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you. So from the grand scheme of it all, as time goes by, this trend line is going to draw itself further and further in the upwards direction. So I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but as long as the price is staying up above an uptrending trend line, that would imply that the price is, uptrending or bullish. Again, that's why I love charts, because when you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So as long as the price is above that purple line, like I said, bulls are in full control. Now, given that the price is getting a little bit closer to it, I do want to map out the next level of support in the event the price were to fall below it. Because if the price does drop below that level, by no means is the entire chart broken or ruined. Would it lose some attractiveness? Yeah, it would lose some attractiveness, but there's a huge difference in losing attractiveness and being totally ruined. And again, it would not be totally ruined. The next level of support, though, in the event that purple line does not hold, is down there at the 50-cent mark. As far as levels of resistance, yeah, you have that one that's already been denoted up there at 59.60, but there does seem to be more of a shorter term one that kind of showed up today right around the 56-cent mark. I mean, if you go through the quick history on the day, you can see several times the price tried to get up through that level at 56 and just couldn't quite do it. So for whatever reason, there's been a little miniature resistance that has popped itself up, but keep an eye on that. And then if the price can push through there, then you can focus back on the overall resistance up at 59.60. So overall, though, the entire trend is still fully intact for the bulls. So we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.